Hello everyone, my name is Elena and I'm an intercultural trainer and English language instructor. One of the best decisions I made in 2020 was participating in Train the Intercultural Trainer course by European Institute for Intercultural Development. I'd say one of the greatest things about this course was having an opportunity to interact with and learn from the best diverse team of trainers and coaches. It was simply incredible how the course was so perfectly structured and covered every little aspect of starting your own business as an intercultural trainer, all the nuances and challenges that might come with it, how to overcome those. Not only this course has given me invaluable knowledge, but it also has given me a boost of confidence and truly showed me my potential, my level of expertise, as well as the areas that I would still like to work on and I would still like to explore. I want to say a special thank you to Barbara and her team of trainers for giving us an opportunity to learn in a very interactive environment. Whether you're an experienced trainer or just at the beginning of your career, and if you're looking for certification or a trainer course, look no further. I truly believe that European Institute for Intercultural Development is just the place, with its team of professionals and constant support throughout the course. Thank you so much. Thank you, IFID. Thank you, Barbara. Thank you, all the coaches. I truly appreciate you and see you soon.